Make sure you are the first to say happy birthday to your friends and families. Turn on the Facebook birthday alerts on your phone with a few simple steps. But first, don't forget to save this video for your future reference. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Online Help Guide, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to enable Facebook birthday notification. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. First, tap the Facebook icon on your home screen to launch the app. Make sure you are logged into your Facebook account. In the top right corner of the screen, you will see 3 horizontal lines icon. Tap on those to open the menu options. Scroll down and tap on the Settings and Privacy. A sub-menu will appear. Select Settings in the sub-menu to proceed to your account settings. In the Settings menu, scroll until you find the Notification section and tap it. The Notification section lets you customize which types of notification you receive, including birthdays. Within the notification settings, look for the birthday option. If the option is disabled, toggle the switch to turn it on. By enabling these settings, Facebook will send you notification when your friend's birthday are coming up. So this is how to enable Facebook birthday notification. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.